Hello, smart crypto investors. It's Bruno here, and today we're embarking on a journey into the future of finance. Join us as we define your future and discover the transformative power of decentralized finance. Let's set the stage with traditional finance, also known as TradFi. This is the world of banks, stock markets, and institutions. It's a world that operates on a centralized system where a handful of decision makers at the top hold the reins. It's a world where your money, your investments, and your financial future are in the hands of a select few. From the big banks on Wall Street to the local credit unions, this traditional system of finance has been the backbone of our economy for centuries. It's the system that's been tried and tested, the system we've come to know and, for better or worse, trust. But like any system that's been around for a while, it's not without its flaws. There's a lack of access for the unbanked, those millions around the world who don't have a bank account or access to basic financial services. Then there are the high fees for transactions, for overdrafts, for simply maintaining an account. And let's not forget the slow transactions, the days you have to wait for a check to clear or a transfer to go through. TradFi has served us for centuries, but it's not without its flaws. Lack of access for the unbanked, high fees, and slow transactions are just a few. Enter DeFi, short for decentralized finance. It's a buzzword you might have heard swirling around the financial sphere, but what exactly does it mean? Well, in essence, it's the blockchain's answer to traditional finance, or TradFi, as we've just explored. DeFi is a financial system that operates without the need for intermediaries such as banks or brokers. Instead, it leverages the power of blockchain technology to democratize finance. How, you ask? By removing the middleman, DeFi allows for direct peer-to-peer interactions. It's like having a conversation without a translator, where both parties can communicate directly and efficiently. This fundamental shift has the potential to transform our financial system from the ground up, making it more open, accessible, and fair. Unlike traditional finance, which operates on a 9-to-5 schedule and is often limited by geographical boundaries, DeFi operates around the clock. That's right, markets are always open in the world of DeFi, allowing for continuous trading and financial interactions. Moreover, DeFi services are global, enabling anyone, anywhere to participate. So whether you're in the heart of a bustling city or in a remote corner of the world, if you have an internet connection, you can be a part of this financial revolution. With DeFi, markets are always open, services are global, and anyone with an internet connection can participate. So what sets DeFi apart from TradFi? Well, the differences are as stark as night and day. In the world of traditional finance, transactions are often shrouded in mystery, accessible only to those with the right credentials. DeFi, on the other hand, operates on public blockchains, where every transaction is there for all to see. Transparency is no longer a choice, it's a given. But the differences don't stop there. Traditional finance has always been a game for the privileged, with the unbanked and underbanked often left standing on the sidelines. DeFi changes that. It's inclusive, extending its arms to everyone, regardless of their socio-economic status. No more exclusivity, no more gatekeeping. DeFi gives power back to the people where it rightfully belongs. And then there's the matter of efficiency. Remember how long it takes to process a bank transfer? Or how about the exorbitant fees charged for international transactions? DeFi laughs in the face of such inefficiencies. By harnessing the power of blockchain technology, DeFi reduces costs and speeds up transactions, making traditional banking look like a relic of the past. In essence, DeFi is not just a new player in the financial world. It's a game changer, a disruptor that's redefining the rules of the game. It's efficient, reducing the cost and time associated with traditional banking. Accessibility is where DeFi shines. As we navigate through the world of finance, we often encounter barriers. Traditional finance, or TradFi, with its complex systems and gatekeepers, can exclude many from participating. The unbanked and underbanked, those living in remote areas, and even those simply lacking the right credentials, find themselves on the outside looking in. But here's where DeFi flips the script. It's a financial system without borders, accessible to anyone, anywhere. No need for a physical bank, no need for piles of paperwork, no need for approval from a stern-faced banker. All that's needed is a smartphone and an internet connection. DeFi operates on the principle of financial inclusivity. It empowers individuals, granting them access to financial services that were previously out of reach. Whether it's lending, borrowing, or investing, DeFi has made it possible for everyone to participate in the global financial market. And the beauty of it all, the doors of DeFi never close. It's a 24/7 operation, a financial system that never sleeps. So no matter where you are or what time it is, you can engage with DeFi. DeFi opens financial services to anyone, anywhere. Just a smartphone and an internet connection, and you're in. Are the technologies driving DeFi? Well, the answer lies in a couple of ingenious innovations that make the world of decentralized finance possible. The first of these is smart contracts. Now, don't let the name intimidate you. Smart contracts are essentially automated algorithms that execute transactions when certain conditions are met without the need for a middleman. It's like setting an alarm to wake you up at a specific time, but in this case, the alarm is a financial transaction, and the wake-up time is a preset condition. The second key technology is liquidity pools. These are pools of tokens locked in a smart contract, which users can lend, borrow, or exchange against. They're the lifeblood of DeFi, fueling a global finance machine that never sleeps. Together, smart contracts and liquidity pools create a DeFi ecosystem that is transparent, efficient, and accessible to everyone, everywhere, at any time. And liquidity pools, which allow users to lend, borrow, or exchange tokens, fueling a 24/7 global finance machine. But it's not all smooth sailing. As with any emerging technology, DeFi faces some significant challenges. First and foremost is scalability. As more and more people turn to DeFi, the networks must be capable of handling the increased traffic. A failure to scale could lead to slower transactions and higher fees, undermining some of the very benefits DeFi offers. Volatility is another hurdle. The prices of cryptocurrencies, the backbone of DeFi, are known for their wild swings. This instability can deter potential users who prefer the relative predictability of traditional finance. Lastly, but certainly not least, is regulatory uncertainty. Governments around the world are grappling with how to manage and regulate this new frontier in finance. The lack of clear regulations can make it difficult for DeFi platforms to operate and for users to feel secure. Yet its potential to reshape finance is undeniable, addressing many pain points of TradFi. Despite these challenges, the promise of DeFi still shines bright, offering a glimpse into a more democratic and efficient future of finance. The future of finance is unfolding before our eyes, smart crypto investors. We've traveled from the world of traditional finance, with its familiar institutions and centralized decision-making, to the brave new world of DeFi, a landscape where middlemen are obsolete and every transaction is verifiable. This is the future where finance is democratized, where markets never sleep, and where anyone, anywhere, can participate. The technologies driving this revolution, such as smart contracts and liquidity pools, are redefining what's possible. Yes, there are challenges. DeFi is young, and like any youngster, it's facing its share of growing pains. But its potential is undeniable. It's an alternative to the established order, a promise of a more open, efficient, and inclusive financial world. To keep up with the revolution, make sure to subscribe to Smart Crypto Investors. Like and share this video, and join us in the conversation about the future of finance to define your future. Remember, we're not just observers. We're active participants shaping this new financial era.